if the radius of a circle is increased by 10%, what is the percentage increase in its area? So basically we are trying to calculate what is the percentage change in the area when we try to increase the radius of the circle, right? Now we should know that the area of the circle is calculated by using the formula pi r square, right? Now what is happening to this radius? The radius is increased by 10%, right? So let's assume that the new radius is r1, and what is the equivalent fraction for 10%? 1 by 10. And what is the equivalent fraction for increase by 10%? If we add the numerator and denominator of 1 by 10, we'll get 11. So the new radius can be assumed as 11 by 10 r, right? So now let's apply this new radius in this formula. So area of the new circle because of the change in radius is going to be pi multiplied by 11 upon 10 r the whole square. Now if we try to expand the values, let's see what happens. So we'll be getting 11 square is 121, 10 square is 100. So the area is going to be 121 upon 100 pi r square, right? So let's assume that this is the original area, right? And let's assume that this is the modified or maybe the new area. And how do we calculate the percentage change? The difference between the old value and the initial value divided by the initial value, right? Now what is the old value here? Pi r square. And what is the new value here? 121 upon 100 pi r square, the whole divided by, what is the old value? Pi r square. Now let's find the difference between these two values. So pi r square bracket 1 difference, what is 121 upon 100? We can simplify that as 1.21 the whole divided by pi r square. So we can cut off this, we can cut off this. We are going to get 0.21. And what is 0.21 in terms of percentage? Very simple, 21%. Now we can clearly see that the area of the circle is increased by 21% when the radius of the circle is increased by 10%. The same question can be done in one more way by using an assumption method. Let's assume that the radius of the circle is 100 centimeters, alright? And we also know that the area of the circle is pi r square, right? So what will be the area of the original circle? A is equivalent to pi multiplied by 100 square, and that is going to give us 10,000 pi as the area, right? Now after this percentage change of 10% in radius, what is going to happen to the radius now? So 10% of 100 is 10. So the new radius would become 110 centimeters, right? And what is going to be the new area? Pi multiplied by 110 square, and that's going to give us 12,100 pi, right? Now we are trying to find out the percentage change in the area, right? The same old trick. What is the percentage change idea? So difference between the final value and the original value divided by original value, right? Now what's the difference between these two values? We know that this is the original value and this is the changed or the new value or the final value. The difference is going to be just 2100 pi divided by what was the original area? 10,000 pi. So divide by 10,000 pi. Now simplify the terms. We'll probably end up with 21 upon 100. And what is 21 upon 100 means? 21%. So the area has been increased by 21%.